Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I got a new closer from Home Depot. It is a universal hardware door closer, residential door closer, and it's supposed to be mounted to parallel mount only. Now, you may be wondering, dude, why is this on regular mount? I thought you said that this closer is parallel mount only. Well, I borrowed this bracket from my other little door closer, which I will make a separate video about that closer later on. And go ahead and cycle the speeds. And yes, it is a hold open feature, like I said. And go ahead and show you the hold open feature. So the hold open feature will start about right around here. See? They'll start about right around here. And then, see, it doesn't matter how far open you want the door, it'll still stay there. And then to disengage the hold open, all you have to do is just pull the door so slightly, push it, then it'll go. And over here is the plate. I'm guessing this plate is for, like, if you have a hollow door or whatever, and then I guess these screws screw into the hollow door, and then, yeah, I do not know, but door closer doctor or anybody that knows what this is the actual use of this plate, please let me know in the comments. My comments should be open. And then here's that mount and that mount. And then door closer directions and whatnot. See, and there's the box. And go ahead and cycle this door again. Show you the hold open. And in case if you're wondering if this closer is 2 speeds or 1, it actually is 1 speed, so you have a sweep and latch together, and no back check on this closer. Alright, thanks for watching.